Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to delete profile picture on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, go ahead and open Amazon Shopping app on your device. Well, after that, here you can click on profile icon at the bottom. Then you can select your account option here. Okay, and then you can scroll down. Until you find this option. Okay, just press on it. After that, here you can remove your profile picture by tapping on your picture like this. Okay, and then select delete photo and click once again. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to delete profile picture on Amazon Shopping app on an Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.